drowning in customer inquiries, relax, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to use Wati to streamline your WhatsApp communication, engage with customers, and boost your business. Let's dive in. First, head over to Wati.io, that's Wati.io, and look for the sign up or get started button. Usually in the top right corner, click on it. You'll be taken to the registration page here. You'll need to enter your details such as your name, email address, company name, and a secure password. Double check everything to avoid typos. A crucial step is connecting Wati to your WhatsApp Business API. If you don't have one yet, Wati provides clear instructions on how to get it. Click on the link provided to initiate the process. Follow the prompts from Meta Facebook to set up your WhatsApp Business API. This usually involves verifying your business and agreeing to their terms. Wati will guide you through seamlessly. Once your WhatsApp Business API is connected, you'll see your WhatsApp number linked in your Wati dashboard. Success. Now, let's send your first message. Look for the contacts or broadcast section in your Wati dashboard. This is where you manage your customer list. You can either add contacts individually or import them via a CSV file. Now click on the contact or group to whom you wish to send a message. A message composition window will appear. Type your message into the text box. Wati allows you to send not just text, but also images, videos, and documents. You can personalize messages further by adding quick reply buttons. When you're ready, hit the send button. Your message is on its way. The Wati dashboard lets you track message delivery and customer responses. And there you have it. You've successfully registered with Wati and sent your first message. Now you can leverage Wati's powerful features to enhance your customer communication and engagement. Start exploring the platform and unlock its full potential.